Ready to turn your Wix website into a hub for exciting events and boost your audience engagement? First, from your Wix dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. Then select Wix Events from the Wix App Market to install it. Once installed, you'll find the Wix Events dashboard right in your Wix sidebar. Simply click on it, then click the Create Event button to start setting up the basics. In the Event Details section, give your event a catchy name and write a compelling description. Be sure to select the date, time, and time zone of your event and add a clear, eye-catching image. Now, let's add tickets. Choose between free events or paid events for your event and add the price of tickets, quantity, and add a clear description of each ticket. In registration settings, you can customize the information you want to collect from your attendees, like their name, email, or even custom questions catered to your event. Click on the Marketing and SEO tab and select Email Marketing here. You can create stunning email campaigns to promote your event, send out invites, and keep attendees in the loop. Also, use Wix's Social Media Post Creator to design eye-catching posts that you can share across all your social platforms to maximize visibility. Finally, track your event's success with Wix Analytics. Monitor registrations, ticket sales, and engagement levels to optimize your future events and increase overall engagement.